In this video, we're going to go over how to customize the featured marquee canvas on the home page. So when we go to the home page, we'll click featured marquee. Here we can click just the negative space. This is where you could change the background color. And you can do so right here. We can change the as seen in. So under text style, this is where we could change the color. This is where we could change the font. This is where we could change the letter case. All of the customized options are right here. Next, we'll add in the actual logo. So if we select this box, we'll go over to the right under embed info, custom code, and just click that area. One of the things I like to do before changing anything, I would come in here and copy this entire code. Copy. And then let's add that to a note just in case, so we have the original copy in case anything were to happen or if we just simply need to start over. Then we're going to start at the top right under here under image source, and you'll see HTTPS to .png. This is where we're going to add in our logo. So to do that, we are going to go to the media library. And this is where you're going to upload your logos that you've been featured in. So the first one we'll do is Vogue here. When you hover over the image, you'll see it blue. We're going to grab this link, click out of the media library, click back into the code. And then this first option here, we're going to select and paste in that link. Here is going to be the alt text. So you'll just add in whatever logo it is, the name of it, you'll add right here. We'll scroll down underneath mirrors content above. We're going to do the same exact thing. So whatever we have in this top portion, we need it to be exactly the same so it mirrors and makes the logos loop infinitely. So in this first one, we're going to add the link and then update the alt text here. Now in this example, I have Vogue repeated twice on the top. So then on the second one, I would add that here as well. So I'm going to paste that in. I am using Command V on my keyboard to paste, but you could also select it and paste this way too. Then you'll update the alt text here. Just the Vogue portion. Go underneath mirrors the content above. So we already added in the first Vogue logo, and now I'm going to add in the second one here. So again, update that link and then update the alt text. Then we'll click save, and you'll slowly start to see your logos come in here. We'll go back to our media library, and now we'll grab the next one. So I'll copy that link, go back into the code, and at the top, my second image, so I'm looking for image source number 2, and within the HTTPS to .png, this is where I am pasting the WED logo, and then you would update the alt text. If it is a logo with 2 words like this one, we have the and then hyphen WED, hyphen logo, so any spaces, you will just use hyphens. We'll scroll down underneath mirrors content above, and underneath the second image source, so right here, we're going to add the link again. So we will paste and then update the alt text. We're going to scroll up. Now we have the WED logo once, and we also have it here twice. So for this second one, I'm going to update it here and then update the alt text. Scroll down below mirrors the content above and update the second, the WED link and the alt text here. Click save. We're going to go back to the media library and grab our third logo. Click our custom code here. At the top, this will be the third logo. So I'm going to paste this here and then update the text. Scroll down underneath mirrors the content above, and for our third image source here, we're updating this link. We will paste that in and then update the alt text here. We also have the last one because we have 2 in each section. Add in the link and update the alt text. Scroll down below mirrors the content above, and we have the last one here. So we will update that link. HTTPS to .png is your link, and then update the alt text here. If you have more than 6 logos, you could also copy one. So I'm going to copy this. I'm using Command C on my keyboard. I'm going to click enter, Command V to paste. Now if I add one above, mirrors the content above, I'm going to have to go down here. After the last one, I'll click enter, Command V to paste. And now we would have 7 on top and 7 below, and they're exactly the same link and logo. So if you do want to add more, you can. Next, we'll scroll down. So right here where it says gap, if you wanted it to be a larger gap between each logo, this is where you could change that right here. So we could increase that to 2. I would click save and then preview what this looks like, and even further click the preview tab so you can see exactly what that would look like. Go back into the code. We also have the animation speed right here. So this is saying to scroll it at 150 seconds. So if you do want this to go faster, this number is going to be lower. And if you want it to move slower, the number will be higher. That is something to play around with and double check. Putting a number in here, clicking save, looking at it and seeing what you like. We don't recommend anything too fast because that could be just too distracting for your dream clients on your site. Lastly, you can reverse the direction. So we could remove this right here. So just delete it and delete this as well if you would like it to go the other direction. So the logos, instead of scrolling left, they would scroll right. And then just click save. We also have a featured static marquee. So if you don't even want the movement, we can actually just hide this one. And you could turn on the static version. If you want to add the featured marquee to other pages, you can. So we would go to your site, and for example, let's say we want to add it to the experience page. We could go to page, click the 3 dots, add new canvas. We're going to go to your home page, scroll down to featured marquee, and click add. From here, it's all the way at the bottom. So let's see, where is this? Okay, maybe we have it right here. So then all we'd have to do is change the background color. And then always double check mobile. That should be changed already. But that's how you could add it to another page as well. I'll see you on the next one.